Top 10 herbs that protect eyes and repair vision. In today's video, we delve into the world of natural remedies for eye health. We explore the herbs that have been recognized for their potential to protect the eyes and even contribute to the repair of vision. Let's get started! 1. Bilberry. Bilberry owes its health-promoting qualities to a group of compounds known as anthocyanins, responsible for the berry's vibrant color. These anthocyanins act as powerful antioxidants, helping neutralize free radicals in the body, including those that can damage the eyes. The antioxidant nature of bilberry is crucial in maintaining the integrity of ocular tissues and preventing oxidative damage often implicated in age-related eye conditions. Research suggests that bilberry may contribute to improved night vision and overall visual acuity. Its ability to enhance blood flow to the eyes is noteworthy, as proper circulation is essential for delivering nutrients and oxygen to the delicate structures within the eyes. 2. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, also known as the maidenhair tree, is one of the oldest living tree species with a historic use in traditional Chinese medicine. The extract derived from the leaves of the Ginkgo biloba tree is rich in flavonoids and terpenoids, contributing to its therapeutic properties. While ginkgo biloba is often associated with cognitive benefits, its positive effects on blood flow make it a valuable ally for eye health. Studies suggest that ginkgo biloba may help manage conditions related to poor blood flow, such as glaucoma, by promoting vasodilation and inhibiting platelet aggregation. Ginkgo biloba's antioxidant properties can also protect the eyes from oxidative stress. 3. Saffron. The crimson threads of saffron have been employed in various traditional medicine systems, including Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, to address a range of health concerns, including those related to the eyes. The antioxidant properties of saffron are attributed to its carotenoid content, particularly crocin. Carotenoids are pigments with potent antioxidant capabilities and play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals that can damage ocular tissues. Studies have explored the potential of saffron in conditions like age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and retinal degeneration, suggesting its positive influence on retinal health. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric owes its therapeutic properties to curcumin, a bioactive compound with a myriad of health benefits. While turmeric has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, modern scientific research has shed light on curcumin's potential to address inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are implicated in various eye conditions. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects are particularly noteworthy, as chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to several eye disorders. By modulating inflammatory pathways, curcumin may help mitigate the impact of inflammation on ocular tissues, supporting overall eye health. 5. Rosemary. Rosemary contains a wealth of bioactive compounds, with its essential oil being a concentrated source of antioxidants. The primary antioxidants found in rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, contribute to its ability to neutralize free radicals. This antioxidant prowess plays a pivotal role in protecting ocular tissues from oxidative stress, a common contributor to age-related eye conditions. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties also make it a valuable herb for maintaining ocular well-being. 6. Dandelion. Dandelion is renowned for its nutrient-rich composition, making it a source of vitamins and minerals that play essential roles in eye health. The herb contains significant amounts of vitamin A, a crucial component for maintaining the health of the eyes and supporting low light and color vision. Additionally, dandelion provides vitamin C and E, both of which contribute to the antioxidant defense system that protects ocular tissues from oxidative stress. Dandelion leaves contain lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids known for their ability to accumulate in the retina and contribute to visual health. 7. Fennel. Fennel seeds are a nutritional powerhouse containing vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that collectively contribute to their potential benefits for eye health. The presence of vitamin C, vitamin A, and various beneficial compounds makes fennel a valuable addition to the repertoire of herbs aimed at protecting and enhancing vision. Vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene is essential for maintaining the health of the eyes. The combination of vitamin A and antioxidants in fennel seeds helps neutralize free radicals, offering protection against oxidative stress that can impact eye tissues. 8. Green tea. Green tea, celebrated for its antioxidants and weight loss benefits, also improves eye health. Its powerful antioxidants, such as flavonoids and tannins, help reduce dark circles and puffiness around the eyes. These compounds constrict blood vessels and reduce inflammation, leading to a brighter under-eye area. The caffeine in green tea further reduces puffiness by narrowing blood vessels and decreasing fluid retention. Applying cooled green tea bags directly to the eyes can provide soothing relief and visible improvements. The antioxidants and caffeine work together to refresh and rejuvenate tired eyes. Additionally, green tea's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritated eyes, making it an excellent remedy for those who spend long hours in front of screens. Regular consumption of green tea also promotes overall hydration, essential for maintaining healthy skin and eyes. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can enhance eye health and improve the appearance of the under-eye area. 9. Grapeseed. Grapeseed extract is highly beneficial for eye health due to its rich content of phytochemicals, particularly proanthocyanidins. These compounds are known for their powerful antioxidant properties, which help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and free radical damage. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, grapeseed extract can reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions, such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, the antihistamine properties of grapeseed extract can alleviate symptoms of eye allergies, such as itching, redness, and swelling. This makes it particularly useful for individuals suffering from seasonal allergies or sensitivities. The antioxidants in grapeseed extract also enhance overall eye health by improving blood circulation to the eyes. Better circulation ensures that essential nutrients and oxygen reach the eye tissues, supporting their function and health. Regular consumption of grapeseed extract, either through supplements or by including grapeseed oil in the diet, can thus provide comprehensive protection and support for eye health, keeping the eyes healthy and reducing the risk of common eye problems. 10. Golden seal. Golden seal is a herb known for its medicinal properties, particularly its effectiveness in treating mild eye irritations caused by allergies. When used as an eye wash, golden seal can provide relief from conditions like trachoma, an infectious eye disease that causes inflammation. The key active compound in golden seal is berberine, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Using golden seal as an eye wash helps soothe irritated eyes, reduce redness, and alleviate itching. Its antimicrobial properties make it effective against bacterial infections, while its anti-inflammatory effects help reduce swelling and discomfort. To use golden seal as an eye wash, a solution is typically prepared by steeping golden seal root in hot water, straining it, and allowing it to cool before application. Golden seal's natural healing properties make it a valuable remedy for managing mild eye conditions related to allergies. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before using it, especially for those with sensitive eyes or existing eye conditions, to ensure it is appropriate and safe for individual use. While herbs can play a significant role in promoting eye health, it's essential to emphasize the importance of a balanced lifestyle, proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate rest, and regular eye checkups are all integral components of maintaining optimal eye health. Additionally, practicing good eye hygiene, such as taking breaks from screens, wearing UV protective sunglasses, and avoiding smoking, can further support long-term vision. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you join us in the next one.